In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment shows completed but balance didn't change. So this may be because of an anomaly on your account or the recipient's account. So the best way right here is you can head over and see your bank transfer first and check its status on the Venmo app. So if the status shows completed but your balance isn't deducted, what you can do is you can head over and then try to contact Venmo by going over to your settings, then going over to contact us or get help or connect with support. So you can also see that if this transfer shows completed, you can check your balance statement or contact your bank. You can also try to log out and log back in order to see if it actually deducted the balance already on your account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need.